Hi friends, good evening. Once again, welcome back to my channel Mugambika Nursing. Friends, here we are discussing questions for RRB Nursing Officer exam preparation. In the previous video, we discussed important questions and answers. Today, we can discuss one set of previous year questions and answers. Staff Nurse exam, grade 2 question papers and answers. First question we can see. Dash is a polypeptide hormone produced by parafollicular C cells of thyroid gland. Options: Option A calcitonin, Option B thyroxine, Option C triiodothyronine, Option D parathormone. Hormone produced by parafollicular C cells of thyroid gland is calcitonin. Option A is the correct answer. And the next question. Dash is cranial nerve 5. Options: Option A olfactory nerve, Option B optic nerve, Option C facial nerve, Option D trigeminal nerve. Cranial nerve number 5 is trigeminal nerve. Option D is the correct answer. Move on to the next question. The amount of filtrate formed in all the nephrons of both kidneys in 1 minute is termed as. Options: Option A filtration fraction, Option B glomerular filtration rate, Option C glomerular capillary pressure, Option D caudal osmotic pressure. The amount of filtrate formed in both kidneys in 1 minute is termed as glomerular filtration rate. Option B is the correct answer. It is approximately equal to 120 ml per minute. And the next question. The longest and strongest bone of the body is. Options: Option A radius, Option B femur, Option C ulna, Option D scapula. Longest and strongest bone of the body is femur. Option B is the correct answer. Move on to the next question. Pepsinogen is secreted by. Options: Option A chief cells, Option B parietal cells, Option C goblet cells, Option D pancreas. Pepsinogen is secreted by chief cells. Option A is the correct answer. Pepsinogen is secreted by gastric chief cells in the stomach. And the next question. Bacillus of tuberculosis was discovered by. Options: Option A Neisser, Option B Hansen, Option C Robert Koch, Option D Joseph Lisner. Question. Who discovered tuberculosis bacilli? That is the question. Correct answer is Option C Robert Koch. First option Neisser. Neisser who discovered gonococci. Mycobacterium leprae was discovered by Hansen. Option B. Father of antiseptic surgery is Joseph Lisner. Option D. Move on to the next question. Normal flora which lie on or in our body with complete harmony without causing damage is called. Option A saprophytes, Option B commensals, Option C true pathogens, Option D facultative pathogen. Our question is normal flora, normal organism, microorganism which lies in our body without causing any damage is known as commensals. Option B is the correct answer. And the next question, spherical or oval shaped bacteria are classified as. Options: Option A bacilli, Option B spirilla, Option C vibrios, Option D cocci. Spherical or oval shaped bacteria are known as cocci. Option D is the correct answer. Move on to the next question. Infectious disease transmitted from animals to human beings are called. Options: Option A opportunistic infection, Option B vertical transmission, Option C zoonosis, Option D nosocomial infection. Infections which transmitted from animals to human beings are called zoonotic disease or zoonosis. Option C is the correct answer. Move on to the next question. Modified acid-fast staining commonly used for staining Mycobacterium tuberculosis is. Options: Option A Scheele-Nielsen staining, Option B gram staining, Option C negative staining, Option D none of this. Our question is which type of modified acid-fast staining is commonly used to stain Mycobacterium tuberculosis is Scheele-Nielsen staining. Option A is the correct answer. Move on to the next question. The most primitive structure of human personality operating according to pleasure principle is called. Options: option A ego, option B id, option C superego, option D conscious level. The pleasure principle is work based on id. Option B is the correct answer. Move on to the next question. Intelligent quotient is options: option A mental age divided by chronological age into 100, option B retrieval, option C chronological age divided by mental age into 100, option D none of this. Intelligent quotient is equal to mental age divided by chronological age into 100. Option A is the correct answer. Move on to the next question. The ego defense mechanism in which unconsciously discharging pent-up feeling into less threatening object is. Options: option A repression, option B denial, option C displacement, option D conversion. Here the question is one of the defense mechanism in which unconsciously discharging his feelings to life threatening object. For example, a person is tensed or person is having anger against his boss in the office. He is showing that anger to his children and wife. Okay, or he is displaying his anger and tension to his wife or children. That is known as displacement. Option C is the correct answer. Move on to the next question. Misinterpretation of actual perception is. Options: option A hallucination, option B illusion, option C limited attention, option D perceptual organization. Here the question is misinterpretation of actual stimuli. For example, in the dark rope is improperly identified as a snake. Okay, it is known as illusion. Option B is the correct answer. Hallucination means there is a perception of stimulus in the absence of actual stimuli. Okay, there is no stimulus is there, but he is falsely perceiving it as a stimulus or objects. Move on to the next question. An autonomic learned behavior pattern that enables an individual to handle specific type of environmental situation easily is termed as. Options: option A perception, option B attention, option D memory, option D habits. The question is an automatic learned behavior or self-learned behavior that the individual is able to handle his environmental situations easily is known as habits. Option D is the correct answer. Move on to the next question. The process of learning that enables the learner to perform social roles and the ability to participate in social system is. Options: option A socialization, option B group moral, option C social change, option D social security. Here the question is through process of learning an individual can able to perform his social role and has the ability to participate in social system. That is known as socialization. Option A is the correct answer. Move on to the next question. The type of family in which mother plays a dominant role in the family is. Options: option A matrilocal family, option B matriarchal family, option C patrilocal family, option D patriarchal family. If a mother plays a dominant role in the family is known as matriarchal family. Option B is the correct answer. In a family, the father plays dominant role or elder male person is having a dominant role in the family is known as patriarchal family. Here the mother plays dominant role means matriarchal family. Option B is the correct answer. Move on to the next question. The type of marriage in which one woman marries several men is. Options: option A monogamy marriage, option B polyandry marriage, option C group marriage, option D polygyny marriage. Here the question is one woman marries several men is known as polyandry marriage. Option B is the correct answer. Move on to the next question. The type of family which consists of blood relations together with their mates and their children is. Option A conjugal family, option B neolocal family, option C consanguineous family, option D consanguineous family. Our question, in a family, husband and wife or father and mother is from blood relationship. They are known as consanguineous family. Option C is the correct answer. Here we are discussing previous year questions and answers. Remaining questions we can see in next videos. If it is useful for your studies, please share my videos to your friend circle.